Hi Ted, welcome everybody. This is Ted, my grandson, here with us at GDK Veneering. We're in the shed again, so it's nice and quiet, plus we're on holiday this week. But we'd just like to show you a couple of things that we've had come in as we've been on holiday. So Ted, what have we got here?
Door capping.
That's right, we've got some door cappings here, haven't we?
Yeah.
And what do we have to do with these door cappings?
I don't know.
You don't know? That's correct. Because Grandad hasn't told you yet, have we?
No.
So, are you going to come and work for Grandad?
Yeah.
Yeah? When you get bigger, you're going to come and work on the door cappings with Grandad?
Yeah.
And Uncle Daniel? Okay. Yeah. So, these are the door cappings that come in. These are just two of them. There's two different types. I just want to show them to you. You can see there, because if you feel that there, Ted,
yeah.
Can you feel the wood?
Yeah.
And this is
quite fluffy.
Quite.
These are a bit fluffy, is Sean do.
Yeah.
In door capping.
Yeah.
And when they're done,
yeah,
you can put it on the side and wait and let go fluff.
It feels fluffy, does it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So what Ted's trying to say is once the lacquer's come off, it will leave it like that, and some of it is smooth and it feels fluffy, and the other piece is not sharp enough to cut your hands, but it is quite sharp if you were to put your arms across it like that. You see it's not damaged me, but it doesn't look very nice. So there's two different types of door cappings. Now all of them from out of Bentley Turbo R. This is one style that looks like this with the box banding in there, like, and the burr walnut, but the burr walnut has actually that's actually faded with the sunshine, so it goes a lot lighter. This particular one, on the other ones it's burr walnut, on this one I would say this is like a burr oak to give it this nice creamy colour. That it would have been a bit darker than that to begin with, but that's how it goes with the sun. Once it's been redone, it'll all look nice and shiny again. Isn't that right, Ted? So that's one type of door capping.
Yeah. So when they go not nice.
They're not very nice like how they are they?
No, I'm just talking about this camera.
About this camera, right?
Yeah, I'm just telling you.
So this is another door capping.
Yeah.
And you can see it's the same style of door capping.
It's this one.
That's right. It's the same as that one. But the veneer on this goes from one side all the way around to the other, and you can see there how the lacquer yet again has done that. Ted, if you just feel that,
That bit's good.
That feels good, does it?
Yeah, I like wood.
Yeah,
I
good
like
lad.
door capping, but I really don't. But I do.
You really don't, but you do.
Yeah.
Good lad.
But if I do, I can do an earrings with Sean and Daniel and Grandad and Tony.
You can do the veneering with all us, can't you?
Yeah.
Good
When
lad.
I'm bigger.
When you're bigger.
Yeah. When I'm bigger, I can do earrings with Grandad,
Yeah.
Old Daniel, Tony, and Tommy.
That's right. That's
Tommy.
right. And that's the names of our staff, by the way. You don't always see the other members of staff like on the TV or anything like that, but they're still there. They're still just as much part of this business as what we are. So anyway, this is this different type of door capping, and that's got burr walnut veneer that goes from one end to the other. And what's happened is they've actually put a sticker on there to give it this inlay effect, but it's underneath the lacquer. So basically, as soon as we remove the lacquer, then that is going to come off. So the customer decided for us to just redo all the door cappings, re-lacquer it, repolish it, and then he's going to get somebody to put them on top of the lacquer. Anyway, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering.
Yeah, me too.
This is Ted doing a video with a Grandad.
Yeah, doing earrings.
Doing the veneerings, that's right. So we will see you again soon. Please click like, share and tell your friends. Bye bye.